हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मैं आपका दोस्त मुकेश कुमार। आज हम लोग अगेन मिले हैं एक स्टोरी को, जिसके थ्रू हम लोग अपनी स्टोरी रीडिंग को और राइटिंग को प्रूव करेंगे। चलिए विदाउट समय स्टार्ट करते हैं। द लिटिल मैच सेलर। ठीक है, आज क्या है? द लिटिल मैच सेलर। ओके, तो क्या करेंगे? थ्रू द स्पेलिंग पढ़ेंगे, तो ध्यान से आप लोग देखिएगा। ठीक है, ITITWAS was TERRIBLY, terribly, COLD, AND DARK, dark, ON, THE, the, LAST, last, DAYJ, OF, THE, the, YEAR, ear, AND, THE, the, SNOW, snow, WAS was, FALLING, falling, FAST, fast, IN, THE, the, COULD, cold, AND, TH, the, DARKNESS, darkness, POOR, poor, LITTLE, little, GIRL, girl, ROAMED, roamed, THROUGS, through, TH, the, STREETS, streets, IT, is, TRUE, true, SHECHAD, had, on, a, PAIR, pair, of, SLIPPERS, sleepers, WHEN, when, SHEC, LEFT, left, HOME, home, BUT, but, THEY, they, WERE, were, NOT, not, OF, of, MUCH, much, USE, use, THEY, they, WERE, were, VERY, very, LARGE, large, SO, so, LARGE, large, INDEED, indeed, THAT, that, THEY, they, HAD, had, BELONGED, belonged, TO2, HER, her, MOTHER, mother, and, THE, the, POOR, poor, LITTLE, little, CREATURE, creature, HAD, had, LOST, lost, THEM, them, IN, RUNNING, running, ACROSS, across, TH, the, STREET, street, INN, OLD, old, APRON, apron, SHECCARRIED, carried, NUMBR, number, of, MATCHES, matches, and, HAD, had, a, BUNDLE, bundle, of, THEM, them, INHER, her, HNDS, hands, SHEC, SOLD, sold, MATCHES, matches, TO2, EARN, MONY, money, no, ONE1, HAD, had, BOUGST, bought, ANY, any, THING, thing, anything, FORM, from, HER, her, THE, the, WHOLE, whole। ठीक है, इसमें क्या होता है, कुछ वर्ड्स साइलेंट होते हैं, तो इसलिए मैं क्या करूँ, स्पेलिंग पढ़ के आप लोगों को बता दूँ, ताकि आप लोगों की राइटिंग जो है अच्छी तरीके से इम्प्रूव हो जाए। DAY, day, NOR, nor, HAD, had, ANY, any, ONE1, GIVEN, given, HERE, here, EVEN, even, A, PENNY, penny, SHIVERING, shivering, WITH, with, COLD, cold, and HUNGER, hunger, SHEC, crept, along, poor, poor, little, child, child, shec looked, the picture, picture, of misery, mystery, shec hardly, had, warm, clothes, clothes, that, could, keep, her, warm, the, snowflakes, snow फ्लैक्स। ओके, बड़े बड़े वर्ड्स को क्या कीजिएगा, ब्रेक कीजिएगा। ठीक है, तो ब्रेक करने से क्या होगा, हम लोगों को अच्छी तरीके से पढ़ने आएगा। ठीक है, इसमें मैंने क्या किया, स्नो फ्लैक्स। ओके, FELL fell, ON HER LONG long, GOLDEN golden, HAIR hair, WHICH which, HUNG hung, IN CURLS curls, on her, SHOULDERS shoulders, SHECBRAVED braved, the, DREADFUL dreadful, WEATHER weather, LOOKING looking, AROUND around, FOR SOMEONE, okay, someone, WHO who, WOULD would, BUY by, HER her, MATCHES matches, BOT but, TO2 NO no, AVAIL able, DUE due, TO2 BITTER bitter, COLD could, cold, THERE there, WAS was, NOT not, A SOUL soul, on THE the, STRETCHES stretches, WHO who, WOULD would, BUY by, HER her, MATCHES matches, LIGHTS lights। जहाँ पे एक चीज ध्यान रखेंगे, जहाँ पे GHT होगा वहाँ उसे टर्म पढ़ते हैं। ठीक है, लाइट्स, WER SHINING shining, FROM from, EVERY every, WINDOW window, and THERE there, WAS was, A SMELL smell, OF of, FWD food, FOR for, IT8, WAS was, NEW new, YEARS ears, EVE ear, year, SSHECREMEMBERED। इतना बड़ा वर्ड हो गया। अब बड़ा वर्ड लगेगा, थोड़ा सा पढ़ने में गलती होगा तो ध्यान दीजिए। रीमेम्बर्ड, क्या है ये, रीमेम्बर्ड। जब ब्रेक करके पढ़ेंगे बहुत अच्छी तरीके से आएगा। ठीक है, THAT that, INACORNER corner, BETWEEN bit, when, TWO2 HOUSES houses, SHEC sank, DOW and down, and HUDDLED hundred, HERSELF herself, TOGETHER together, SHCHAD had, DRAW drawn, HER her, LITTLE little, FWD feet, UNDR under, HER her, BUT but, SHEC COULD could, NOT not, KEEP OF of, THE the, COULD could, and, SHEC DRADARED, dared, NOT not, Geos go, HOME home, FOR for, SHEC HAD had, SOLD sold, NO no, MATCHES matches, and COULD could, NOT not, TAKE take, MHOME home, okay, home, EVEN even, APENNY penny, OF off, MONEY money, HER her, FATH father, WOLD would, CERTAINRY certainly, BAT bit, HER her, BESIDES besides, IT it, WAS was, ALMOST almost, ASS, COLD cold, the at HOME home, ASS, HERE her, FOR for, THEY they, HAD had, ONLY only, THE the, RWF roof, TO2, COVER cover, THEN them, SHEC, PRAY prayed, TO2, THE the, LORD Lord, ALMIGSTY almighty, TO2, COME come, TO2, HER her. ASSISTANCE assistance, HER her, LITTLE little, HANDS hands, WER were, ALMOST almost, FROZE frozen, WITS with, TH the, COLD could, PERHAPS perhaps, A BURNING burning, MATCH match यानी कि MIGST might, BEB SOM is some, GOWD good, IF if, SHEC COULD could, DAW draw, IN FORM from, THE the, BUNDLE bundle, and STRIKE strike, IT it, AZAINST against, THE the, WALL wall, J just, T2 WAR warm, HER her, FINGRS fingers. ओके यर्स, तो आज हम लोग इसको यहीं तक कवर करते हैं, नेक्स्ट डे में हम कवर कर देंगे